how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. Hello guys, so if you want to fix this problem, all what you have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram right here. Now all what you want to do on this page is click on this update option, and after that your Instagram is gonna get updated. After that you have to open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. And last thing you want to do is open the apps manager, open the apps, and now right here on this page it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. So you need to wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and click on this force stop option. That's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching until the end.